Let me explain how to use the V-carve tool. Remove the screw. Loosen this screw and remove this head. Now I will install the blade. Remove the 2 screws and take off this part. And put the blade on this head. The blade thickness of the blade is 1 millimeter. Put it like this. Put on this part. Tighten the 2 screws. Okay. Now I will install the tool on this head. First, put on the handle. And then put on this head. And tighten the screw. Okay. Next, I will adjust the depth of the V-carve tool. Manual test. Tool test. Drop down the tool. Okay. Now press back. Press system size function. Change U12 to V-cut. And change SP6 to U1. U1 action. U1 action. Okay. Now come back to the software. Now I make a straight line. The length is 10 centimeter. select the line, press Ctrl and 6. So the straight line will change to SP6. Right click and then click displacement to orange. Now I move the laser to a proper position and make a temper orange. Okay, I'll press back. Now I click start cutting. The machine will cut the straight line with V-cut tool. Let me see the cutting effect. The depth is not enough. So I still adjust the tool depths. I change the number directly. Make a new temper orange and press back. Now this time I can press repeat. I think the depth is still not enough. The depth is okay. Now I need to change these two parameters. The distance here is offset 1. This distance is offset 1, and this distance is offset 2. I will adjust offset 1 and offset 2 on the software. The parameters. Offset 1 is vertical direction. Now I change it to 6.5. And forward direction, I change it to 10. Let's try it again and check the cutting effect. The job again. Now the cutting effect is perfect. At this moment, I have finished to adjust the parameters of the V-cut tool. Now, I will cut a box. I will cut a box with the V cut tool and the oscillating tool. I open the file. This file is for a box. We can see the interior lines will be cut by V-cut tool, and the edge will be cut by oscillating tool. Move the laser and press tempo origin. Press back. Now click start cutting.